Thank you for your advice on effective feedback and its impact on future success.
I want to thank you for sharing such an amazing presentation with us and your valued feedback in business world.
谢谢。
Thank you very much, Mr. Subasi, for sharing such wonderful insights in the business field.
Thank you for bringing your personal experiences to us. Gracias.
Thank you, Mr. Subasi, for your presentation. I learned a lot from your lesson, and I think I will absorb and try to practice the knowledge that I learned from today in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time and showing us how important feedback can be in the personal and professional world.